Service in Buffalo has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Cattaraugus County, southeastern Erie County until 7:15 p.m. At 3:15 p.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain across the warned area. As much as between 2 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen across portions of the area. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by heavy rain. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Springville, East Concord, Chaffee, Yorkshire, Holland, Sardinia, and Dayton. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. In hilly terrain, there are hundreds of low-water crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to cross flooded roads. Find an alternate route.